ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá ń bẹ ní gbogbo àgbáyé, èyí tó lúkálukú gbà àti tí a fẹ́ ó yàtọ̀ síra wọn. Àwa kan tí a ti gbà pé ilẹ̀ tó ń pè ní Nàìjíríà àdánwò ló jẹ́ fún wa, kódà ó ti fà wá sẹ́yìn, kò jẹ́ ká ní ìlọsíwájú, kódà ó ti gba èdè, àṣà àti ìwà kúrò lọ́wọ́ wa. Gbogbo tó bá ń jẹ́ Nàìjíríà jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ ìbànújẹ́, torí pé tí kò bá ń ṣe ìbànújẹ́, kí lè irú àwa wá jókòó sí ìlú onílùú láti bí 20 ọdún, kí là ń wá? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà nílé náà, kí ló dé tí kò ní ìlọsíwájú gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá? Kí ló ń fa ìdíwọ́ tí ọmọ Yorùbá fi ń di ẹni tí a lè máa pera wa ní? Kí ló fà á? Kí nìdí? Nàìjíríà ni a lè má mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá, ó lè má yé wa nítorí pé ẹni tí wọ́n gbélé wa lọ́wọ́ nígbà tí wọ́n fún wa ní independent ni pé ká lọ yanjú ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà, ká dẹ̀ lọ wá ìfẹ́ láàrin ara wa.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your friends to have access to this kind of content that you have here. Don't forget to subscribe. I love and respect you. I'll be right back.
Ìfẹ́ yẹn la wá ń wá títí tí a fi débi tá wà yìí. A wá rí i pé lẹ́yìn 64 years kò sí ìfẹ́, kò sí unity. Gbogbo tó dẹ̀ fà á kò ju pé àwọn tó kó gbogbo Nàìjíríà papọ̀, wọ́n mọ̀ pé kò ní sí ìfẹ́ níbẹ̀, kò dẹ̀ ní sí àjọṣe láàrin ara wa pẹ̀lú àwọn ìyá wa tó kù. Ìdí yìí ni bàbá wa Professor ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n Emeritus, ó ti káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé, ó ti wò sí, ó ti wọ̀tún, ó wo wájú, ó wo ẹ̀yìn. Ó wá sọ fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pé ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sí ibi tí a ti ṣẹ̀ wá gangan kí a lè rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Àwọn kan takò, wọ́n ní rọ́, wọ́n ní kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n ní ẹ jẹ́ ká tún lọ ṣe election. Tá bá ṣe election, ọ̀nà àbáyọ máa jáde, kódà ó máa mú ìrọ̀rùn wá bá wa. Wọ́n ò máa gbọ́ sí bàbá lẹ́nu, ìyẹn bàbá wa Professor Adébánjí Akíntóyè. Bàbá pariwo títí, bàbá ní ẹ̀yin ọmọ mi, òun ti wọnú Nàìjíríà, òun ti wo gbogbo tó ń bẹ nínú ẹ̀, kò sí àṣeyọrí nínú bẹ̀. Bàbá sọ tiẹ̀. Arákùnrin kan náà tún tayọ, ó ní wọ́n wọnú ilé pa wá, wọ́n yọ wá ní 2 mẹ́ta. Tó bá wọlé, wàá mú àgbàlagbà tó ti wọ menopause, wàá kì mọ́lẹ̀ láàrin inú igbó, wàá bá sùn. Tó bá tẹ̀ wá bá sùn, a lè tọ́jú ìyá yẹn, kódà a lè gbé lọ sí ìlú òyìnbó kó kàn fi refresh torí gbogbo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí, àmọ́ wàá tún pa sínú igbó. Àwọn tó jẹ́ baálé wọn, wàá mú àdá sọ̀ǹdá, wàá fi gé wọn lọ́wọ́, á di pé ọwọ́ méjèèjì kò ṣe gbọ́wọ́ lọ sẹ́nu mọ́. Eléyìí wá ń lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Arákùnrin wá dìde, ó ní lórí ilẹ̀ wa tí a fún yín ní ààyè, kẹ́ máa gbé, kẹ́ máa sùn, kẹ́ máa jí, ẹ lè máa ṣe léyìí, á fàyè gbà yín. Àwọn ará bíi ní ta lòun kó gbẹnu sọ̀hún. Ó nírọ́ o, ó ní tẹ bá ti ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ ní lè ṣe lè mọ́ lórí ilẹ̀ wa. Arákùnrin má dìde. Ó dìde tán, gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tó yẹ kó fọwọ́ kún ṣe ni wọ́n fi sẹ́yìn. Wọ́n ní kò ṣeé ṣe nínú Nàìjíríà tó ń ṣe yìí, kó lè dán wo. Ó ní wọ́n ní kò sí tó ń bọ̀ lókè tí ilẹ̀ ọgbà, ìbáwọ̀ lá nílẹ̀. Bá wọn jà, a kàn sọ fún wọn pé lórí ilẹ̀ wa, èyí tó bá máa gbé pẹ̀lú wa, ẹ má gbé nínú igbó, ẹ gbé láàrin ìlú, ká lè mọ̀ pé lóòótọ́ lẹ̀ ń gbé pẹ̀lú wa. Wọ́n máa ń jẹ́ àwọn èèyàn gbé, wàá gbowó ńláńláńlá. Àwa wo gómìnà, àwa àwọn tó jẹ́ kí wọ́n jẹ́ ẹni tí ó jẹ́ kó darí wa, ṣe ni gbogbo wọn fi sẹ́yìn. Arákùnrin àkọ́kọ́, òun ni a mọ̀ sí bàbá wa Professor Adébánjí. Arákùnrin ẹlẹ́kejì, òun ni olóyè ọmọ Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho. Ìrìnàjò Yorùbá Nation wá bẹ̀rẹ̀, ó ń lọ déédéé, à ń tó gẹ́gẹ́ bí làákàyè tí Elédùmarè fọ́mọ Yorùbá. Wọ́n gbé ìrìnàjò yẹn, wọ́n fà á, wọ́n kọ́kọ́ lọ jù sí UNPO, Unrepresented People and Organization, pé a kì í mọ̀, a bá fẹ́ fẹjọ́ sùn, àárẹ̀ àwọn ta lè lọ sábà láti fẹjọ́ sùn. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní UNPO yẹn kì í ṣe United Nations. Kódà wọ́n tún kọ̀wé, wọ́n gbé lọ sí United Nations. Bí gbogbo adẹ̀ ti ṣe mọ̀, gbogbo ìrìnàjò yẹn ó ń lọ bó ṣe jẹ́ kó lọ. Nígbà tó di ọdún 2021, wọ́n wọlé pa àwọn tí wọ́n pa nínú ilé olóyè Ìgbòho. Ìrìnàjò yẹn tẹ̀, ó ń lọ, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ oríṣiríṣi ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Àmọ́ ṣé àwa torí tàná, àwa dá ìrìnàjò yẹn dúró látara pé àwọn kan nínú wa sọ pé àwọn ò ṣe mọ́, ó ti sú àwọn, àti dáwó, àrí àṣeyọrí, àti ṣàdúrà títí àrí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Àwa tó kù, a gbọ́dọ̀ túbọ̀ jẹ́ kí ìrìn àjò yìí ká gbé dé final destination torí ẹni tó bá gbé débẹ̀ òun ló ṣàṣeyọrí o. Tá a bá dáwọ́ dúró ta ní kò kàn wá mọ́, ta ní kò sí ní ta máa ṣe sí, ta kàn ń lọ tá à ń bọ̀, ta kàn fi lọ gbọ́ program tí a fọwọ́ sápò mọ́wó jáde àlọ́bì kankan. A ní lọ́bì kankan. A jẹ́ pé ojú kan la máa wà, àwa máa lọ merry go round. Ọlọ́run ṣe tiwa bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìdí tí a ṣe wá bára wa sọ̀rọ̀ lálẹ́ yìí. The letter that the youth segment of the Yoruba Nation sent out again to the British government, and I'll tell you those that were copied in that particular one. Òun náà ni letter tí àwọn the youth segment of the Yoruba Nation, torí a ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ different groups, gbogbo wọn náà lẹ ní different task tí wọ́n ṣe. Eléyìí tá a fi kà sí kò ń ṣe lẹ́tà tá a gbé lọ sí Downing Street lélẹ́yìí, torí pé nígbà tẹ́lómi bá rí ní sani òun ti mọ content tó gbé lọ sí Downing Street, that one remain confidential and nobody including myself knows the details of the letter. But eléyìí tá a fi kà yìí òun ni Yoruba National Youth United Kingdom chapter wọ́n ní ẹ̀ka ní America, wọ́n ní United Arab Emirates, kódà wọ́n ní káàkiri. Tí ẹ̀yin ò bá mọ̀, tí ẹ bá ní the coordinator ìlú kọ̀ọ̀kan, kódà wọ́n ti fi gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ coordinator, màá dẹ̀ sọ gbogbo ìlú tí coordinators wà, màá sọ fún wa torí pé wọ́n ti fi ránṣẹ́ sí mi, ó dẹ̀ ti wà lọ́wọ́ mi. So ẹni tó bá pè mí bí bàbá wa Koiki, ta ni coordinator Spain, màá sọ fún yín list of coordinators. A ní lè sọ gbogbo àwọn numbers wọn lórí afẹ́fẹ́ báyìí, but coordinator wà ní Spain, kódà àwọn méjì ló ń bẹ ní Spain tẹ́ bá reach out sí mi. A ní coordinator ní Kuwait, a ní coordinator ní Germany, a ní coordinator ní Greece, a ní coordinator ní Benin Republic, a ní coordinator ní Morocco, a ní coordinator ní Italy, a ní coordinator ní Egypt, a ní coordinator ní Ghana, another coordinator in Germany, a ní coordinator ní South Africa, a ní coordinator ní UK. The UK part làwọn ilé tí wọ́n gbé lẹ́tà lọ sí ibi tí a máa sọ fún yín láìpẹ́ yìí. A ní coordinator ní United States of America, a ní coordinator ní Highland, another coordinator in Morocco, coordinator in Canada, coordinator wà ní Mauritania, coordinator wà ní Libya méjì, coordinator another one in Libya, coordinator wà ní Qatar, kódà ẹ wá surprise pé a ní coordinator ní Mexico. Ní homeland, fẹ́yìn tí ẹ bá fẹ́ mọ ìrìn àjò Yoruba Nation àti pé ẹ fẹ́ darapọ̀ mọ́ the youth wing of the Yoruba Nation, kò sí ìlú tí kò ní youth wing. Even àwọn tó ní political parties wọ́n ní youth wing. So this is the youth wing of the Yoruba Nation campaign. A ní coordinator ní Lagos State, a ní coordinator ní Ọ̀yọ́ State, Ogun State, Kogi State, Kwara State, Osun State, Ekiti State, and Ondo State. All their numbers and their details is with me. And ó dẹ̀ wà lọ́wọ́ the youth diaspora back home and the leader of the youth diaspora, Prophet Ologunlowa ní America. And I believe some of us must have seen the list before. Fẹ́yìn tí ẹ bá wà ní certain groups which thought is circulated. But ẹ má jẹ́ kí lè the list kókò lọ straight into the social media. But again, ẹni tó bá ti ní nínú group, ẹ kàn tọ́jú ẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá dẹ̀ tí ní list yẹn, bóyá fún díkan àbí díkejì, ẹ fẹ́ mọ ìlú tí ẹ ti operate láwọn ìlú tàtíkà. Ẹni tó bá wá mọ̀ pé òun náà lè perform, òun náà fi darapọ̀ mọ́ the youth wing of the Yoruba Nation. Tẹ́ bá kàn sí wa, à fún yín ní nọ́mbà àwọn tó jẹ́ coordinators nílùú tẹ́ bá wà. Tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin náà ti gbọ́ ètò yìí, ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé nílùú tẹ́yin wà, gbórúkọ ìlú yẹn, ẹ̀yin náà lè ṣe coordinator fún wa. Gbogbo alájọ ní ìrìn àjò yìí kò ń ṣe iṣẹ́ Koiki Media, kò ń ṣe iṣẹ́ Baba Akintoye, kò ń ṣe iṣẹ́ Olóyè Igboho. Youth wing ní UK chapter lọ gbé lẹ́tà dìde nísìn. Ṣé jẹ́ ká wá ka lẹ́tà náà gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ti ṣe fi ránṣẹ́ sí iléeṣẹ́ wa tí à ń pè ní Koiki Media. On the 28th of November 2024 ni wọ́n fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ sí èèyàn mẹ́fà ni wọ́n copy ní àwọn èyí tí mo fi kà yìí. The Lieutenant Honorable Sir Lindsay Holley, Member of Parliament, the Speaker of the House of Commons, London, SW1 Alpha 0 Alpha Alpha, 28th of November 2024. And like I said, few more people were copied after the Speaker. The Prime Minister of His Majesty government was copied. The Deputy Prime Minister of His Majesty government was also copied. The leader of the official opposition was copied. The leader of the Liberal Democrat Party was also copied. The leader of the Scottish National Party was copied as well. And the leader of the Reform UK Party was also copied this particular letter, Timothy Kai. This is not the letter that Igbo took to number 10 Downing Street. This is the youth wing of the Yoruba Nation that now also took a letter to those individuals that I've mentioned. The subject says, and I quote, reparative justice and the self-determination of the Yoruba people. Dear Mr. Speaker, I am writing to bring your esteemed attention several pressing matters concerning the Yoruba people's quest for self-determination and the United Kingdom's historical and ongoing relationship with Nigeria as a dual citizen of Yoruba land and United Kingdom. Reparative justice and self-determination. Firstly, I wish to question what reparative justice means to the Prime Ministers and His Majesty government of the United Kingdom in the context of the Yoruba people's pursuit of self-determination. The UK's role in the creation of Nigeria involved the amalgamation of the diverse ethnic groups, including the Yoruba, often disregarding existing treaty agreement and the consent of the government. This historical backdrop has contributed to the ongoing tensions and calls for self-determination among the Yoruba people. I seek clarification on the government's stance regarding these historical injustices and how it plans to address them. Foreign Secretary's visit to Nigeria. Secondly, I am concerned about the recent visit of the Foreign Secretary to Nigeria, during which he proclaimed that the United Kingdom believes Nigeria can become a leading economy by 2075. This statement appears to overlook the significant political and social challenges facing Nigeria, including those highlighted by the Yoruba Self-Determination Movement, YSDM, under the leadership of Professor Adebanji Akintoye. Notably, the YSDM submitted a petition to the Prime Minister on the 12th of October 2024, stating their demand to exit Nigeria. How does the government reconcile its optimistic projection for Nigeria's future with the legitimate aspiration and the grievances of the Yoruba people? Can the Foreign Secretary come to the House and present the white paper or research on which he has based these assessments with a question mark? Or are the orders of his HM government office now given the power to make baseless and wide assertions with a question mark? Mental health and welfare of dual nationals. Moreover, the instability, terrorism, and corrupt prevalent in Nigeria have profound impact on the mental health and the welfare of the United Kingdom citizens of Yoruba descent. Many dual nationals residing in the United Kingdom experience significant stress and anxiety due to the situation in Nigeria, which affect their families and communities. What measures is the government taking to support these individuals and addressing the underlying causes of their distress? Benefit of thriving Yoruba nation. Lastly, I wish to highlight how a thriving Yoruba nation could benefit the United Kingdom. Supporting the Yoruba quest for self-determination will reduce mass migration pressures, as citizens would have more opportunities within a stable and prosperous homeland. Additionally, it would open avenues for equitable trade and honest dealings, strengthening economic ties between the United Kingdom and potentially flourishing Yoruba nation. Conclusion. In light of these concerns, I respectfully request that you facilitate a dialogue within the House of Commons to address the following questions. Number one, what is the government definition of reparative justice concerning the Yoruba people's historical and ongoing grievances with a question mark? Number two, how does the government plan to engage with the Yoruba self-determination movement and their demands? Question mark. Number three, what is available for the UK citizens affected by the instability in Yoruba land? Question mark. Do we deserve to be listening to and our quest for a self-determination nation and fundamental human rights respected? with a question mark. How can the UK reassess its foreign policy towards the Yoruba people and Nigeria to promote justice, stability, restoration with a question mark? Will the government action today be scrutinized for reparative justice in the years to come? Question mark. I believe that addressing these issues is not only a matter of restorative or reparative justice, but also in the best interest of the United Kingdom and all its citizens, including those with dual Yoruba and British nationality. Also, it is an issue of respect for the inalienable right of the Yorubas in the homeland and the diaspora. Suppose the government of His Majesty, the King, will not do the decent thing and use his influence to get the Nigerian government on negotiating table with the different nations trapped in the nightmare called Nigeria, that was negotiation table that was enormously amalgamated by it. In that case, the United Kingdom government should not stand in our way covertly or overtly, considering the many atrocities committed by the British colonial government as representative of His Majesty's government, including breaking its treaty with Yoruba kingdoms and allegedly rigging the 1959 elections to install its preferable candidate in the leadership of Nigeria it created upon granting its independence. Justice will and should mean making effort to correct those wrongs, working with all parties in respect of their inalienable right. A fully independent Yoruba country and its people have all it needs to thrive and be a good, positive global influence for Africa and the rest of the world regarding human capacity, natural resources. Thank you for your attention to this critical matter. I look forward to your response and subsequent actions. On behalf of myself and the Yoruba National Youth UK Charter, Yoruba National Youth UK Charter Coordinator. So, inti wọ́n sọ ni pé eléyìí tí a gbọ́ yìí, òun ni wọ́n pè ní lẹ́tà tí wọ́n kọ sí ìyẹn ẹni tó jẹ́ ẹni kẹta tá à ń pè ní speaker ní United Kingdom. Kò wá ṣòun nìkan ni wọ́n kọ lẹ́tà yẹn sí. Lẹ́tà òun náà dọ́dọ̀ Prime Minister, ó dọ́dọ̀ Deputy Prime Minister, His Majesty Government, ó dọ́dọ̀ Kemi Badenoch, ó dọ́dọ̀ Liberal Democrat Party, ó dọ́dọ̀ Scottish National Party, ó dọ́dọ̀ Reform as well. Gbogbo eléyìí òun náà ni a ṣe ń sọ fún ara wa pé gbogbo ibi tó kù sí a máa kà nígbà tá a bá ń ṣe more analysis ní ìjọ mi. Orí ètò Koiki Media òun náà lè ti gbọ́ eléyìí ọjọ́ kẹta oṣù kejìlá ọdún 2024. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Mo kí gbogbo wa pé a ní rí jù báyìí lọ lórí ètò talẹ́. Ẹ bá wa pín, ẹ jẹ́ kó dé gbogbo ibi tí ẹ kó dé. A tún máa pàdé lọ́jọ́ míì ọjọ́ rí.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.